We need to find dash solution to this problem. Option A. We need to find a solution to this problem. She dashed a book when I called her. Option B. Was reading. She was reading a book when I called her. You dash be punctual if you want to succeed. Option A. Should. You should be punctual if you want to succeed. Each of the players dash given a medal. Option A. Is. Each of the players is given a medal. The manager and dash assistant will attend the meeting. Option C. His. The manager and his assistant will attend the meeting. She has been absent dash school for 2 days. Option D. From. She has been absent from school for 2 days. If I dash you, I would apologize immediately. Option B. Were. If I were you, I would apologize immediately. He stayed at home dash he was feeling sick. Option A. Because. He stayed at home because he was feeling sick. I wish I dash more time to finish this project. Option B. Had. I wish I had more time to finish this project. The book is dash the table. Option C. On. The book is on the table. The baby has been crying dash an hour. Option B. For. The baby has been crying for an hour. He is the man dash helped me yesterday. Option B. Who? He is the man who helped me yesterday. This is the dash day of my life. Option C. Happiest. This is the happiest day of my life. He dashed to the office before the meeting started. Option A. Had gone. He had gone to the office before the meeting started. The committee dash reached a unanimous decision. Option D. Has. The committee has reached a unanimous decision. He bought dash umbrella yesterday. Option B. An. He bought an umbrella yesterday. I dash my homework by the time you arrive. Option B. Will have finished. I will have finished my homework by the time you arrive. It is I dash am responsible for the success. Option D. Who? It is I who am responsible for the success. Dash you help me carry this box. Option B. Can you help me carry this box? The child behaves as if he dashed the boss. Option C. Were. The child behaves as if he were the boss.